Welcome to our kitchen. Today we are recreating a beloved classic from 50s Prime Time Café, Grandpa Jean's Chicken Pot Pie. Before we begin, we would like to thank our subscribers. Your support allows us to create even more magical Disney recipes for you. For this recipe, you will need diced chicken tenders, broccoli tops, carrots, celery, leeks, chicken bouillon, butter, flour, half and half, Parmesan cheese, pie crust, and an egg. Measurements are posted in the description. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's start by bringing 4 cups of water with about 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt to a rolling boil. Use a pot large enough to prevent the water from boiling over. I used a pre-made refrigerated pie crust and followed the directions to pre-bake the bottom crust. Once the water is boiling, add the 2 cups of diced chicken to the water and lower the heat to medium or medium-low to maintain a gentle simmer. Continue by adding 1 cup of broccoli tops to the pot with the chicken, 1 cup of diced carrots, half cup of diced celery, 1/4 cup of sliced leeks. Cook the vegetables and chicken for 15 minutes. Drain the chicken and vegetable mix and set aside. Using the same pot, melt the butter. After the butter has melted, sprinkle 3 tablespoons of flour into the pot and mix until the flour and butter looks like wet sand. Now you have a roux. After cooking the roux, flour and butter mixture for 2 to 3 minutes, gradually pour in 3 cups of half and half while stirring continuously. In a glass or cup, put in 1/4 cup of hot water and drop in 2 chicken bouillon cubes. Stir well until the bouillon cubes are completely dissolved and completely mixed. Add the mixture to the pot and stir. Once your sauce has thickened and is simmering, gradually add 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese to the pot. Add your chicken and vegetable mix back to the pot. Stir everything together until completely mixed. Now you are ready to add it to the pie crust. Carefully spoon the mixture into the pie crust. Use the back of a spoon to gently level the filling to ensure it fills the crust completely and evenly. Gently place the second rolled out pie crust on top of the filled pie. Make sure it covers the entire filling. The original recipe just has the top crust, but we prefer a double crust for this recipe. Trim any excess dough hanging over the edge of the pie. Use a fork to press down along the edge of the crust. Start at one side and work your way around the pie, pressing firmly to seal the top and bottom crusts together. Take a fork and gently poke a few small holes in the top crust. This allows steam to escape while the pie bakes and prevents the crust from puffing up. Beat the egg in a bowl to make an egg wash. Use a pastry brush to gently brush the egg wash over the top crust of the pie. Make sure to cover the entire surface. The egg wash will give the pie a golden and glossy finish as it bakes. Bake the pie for 45 to 50 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. When the pie is done, let it sit out for about 10 to 15 minutes before serving. Enjoy! We enjoy sharing Disney recipes that can help you create the magic at home for your friends and family. Please comment if there are any Disney recipes you would like us to recreate. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel to help us continue sharing delicious Disney recipes. Until next time, happy eating.